Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by understanding why a true factory reset matters to you. Modern storage can retain data after a simple reset, so take precautions. Encrypt the device first to make leftover data unreadable later. Back up anything you want to keep to an external drive or cloud account. Remove all accounts and disable remote locks or wipes. Consider the storage type before wiping. SSDs and eMMC need different approaches than spinning drives for reliable erasure. First, encrypt the entire storage using device or OS encryption tools. Next, perform the built-in factory reset to remove accounts and user data. For SSDs, prefer ATA Secure Erase or the vendor firmware sanitization utility. For HDDs, perform a full overwrite with zeros or use a DoD 3-pass style pattern if required. Remove external SD cards and SIM cards before completing the reset. Power cycle the device after reset and do not sign back into accounts yet. After erasure, verify the result by attempting data recovery on another machine. Use a forensic tool to scan for residual files and metadata. If the scan finds recoverable data, repeat secure erase or remove the storage media. For absolute certainty, consider physical destruction of the drive platters or chips. If you plan to reuse the device, reinstall the operating system from official media only. Finally, restore only trusted backups and re-enable security features.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.